At Five Fingers Exports India Private Limited, we take pride in engineering next-generation machinery that drives India's packaging industry forward. Introducing the Five Fingers Exports Valvo Economy, our economic model of the PP woven cement valve bag making machine, designed exclusively for cement valve bags as per Bureau of Indian Standards. Engineered for precision and efficiency, the Valvo Economy optimizes every stage, from fabric feeding to valve cutting and stitching, to ensure uniform, high-quality cement valve bags. This model is specially tailored for hot-cutting non-gusseted cement valve bags. The machine offers two performance options, giving customers flexibility based on their production requirements. Option 1 delivers up to 35 bags per minute, using our reliable standard stitching system. For higher productivity, Option 2 with new long stitching machine achieves up to 45 bags per minute. While Option 1 is included in the standard supply, Option 2 is available as an upgrade for enhanced output. Each bag produced on the Five Fingers Exports Valvo Economy meets Bureau of Indian Standards requirements for cement packaging, ensuring perfect valve alignment, tight stitching, and consistent dimensions. Built for strength and accuracy, these bags maintain uniform filling and secure sealing, ensuring durability during handling and transport. Every Five Fingers Exports Valvo Economy is proudly manufactured in our state-of-the-art facility in Coimbatore, India, ensuring international-level quality, easy maintenance, and long operational life. Get the perfect balance of performance and economy with the Five Fingers Exports Valvo Economy Cement Valve Bag Making Machine, explicitly designed for BIS-approved cement packaging. To know more, contact us.